Rochelle with the Tower Road Library of the Alachua County Library District, and I want to welcome you to this tutorial for Chilton Library. Although right now travel is difficult, that will hopefully change in the future, and if you're anything like me, you're ready to start planning your next road trip. Car maintenance should be part of those preparations, and Chilton Library is a great tool to use for that purpose. There's no time like the present to make sure your car is ready for the open road. First, let's talk about how to access this free resource for library patrons. You'll want to start at the library's website, aclib.us. Once there, you want to hover over the Research tab, and then select e-sources from the drop-down menu. On this alphabetical list, find Chilton Library and select it. At the top of this page, you will see several options. Select Vehicle, ASE Test Prep Quizzes, and Help. I want to show you very quickly the Test Prep section. This is a useful tool for anyone who is studying to be a technician. As you can see, there are many areas of study in which they have a quiz. Let us move on to the main portion of this tutorial and select a vehicle. First, you need the year of your vehicle. Then, you need the make. The make is the company that manufactured your vehicle. There's a handy drop-down in case you aren't sure how to spell it. After you've selected the make, you need to select the model. Again, there's a handy drop-down. Don't forget to click Select when you're finished. As you can see, there are three options for this vehicle: repair, maintenance, and bulletins recall. Depending on the year of your vehicle, you may have less options available. Under this last section, you can look up any recalls your vehicle may have. I will let you look at that section more closely on your own. We will explore the maintenance section together first. Here, you need to select the submodel of your vehicle. If you aren't sure, you can check your vehicle's owner manual. You can also narrow down your submodel by using the full chart list on this page, located here. Once you've selected the submodel, it will populate this form, though you may have to choose the transmission type. As you can see here, we need to enter the mileage of our vehicle. You can find the mileage of your vehicle on your dash odometer. Mine is shown here. Enter the amount in the box and then press Enter. Chilton will automatically tell you your next service mileage and what should be done during that service. You can also look ahead to the next service mileage, and you can look back. It's always good to check and make sure you didn't miss anything at your last service. For those who are more comfortable doing some work on your car yourself, let's explore the Repair tab now. As you can see, it has a full list of your car's systems. Suppose you wanted to change the brakes on your car. You would click on that system here. And let's say you wanted to change your front brake pads. You would click on Front Brakes, and it would give you lots of choices here. We're going to choose Brake Pads Removing and Installing. And brake pads removing and installing. If you aren't sure which of these options are actually on your car, you can check the owner's manual. On this page, you will see the applicable vehicles for this particular set of instructions. It gives you tools that you will need, and it gives you all of the directions, including diagrams, on how to do this process. At the top is a nice feature I'd like to talk about. It says listen, and it is an audio recording of the entire tutorial on how to remove brake pads for these types of vehicles. The nice thing about this is that if you've gone through and you've read everything, you're getting ready to do the process, and you want to be able to not touch your phone but listen to what you need to do while you're working on your vehicle, this will go through, it will read everything for you.
Brake caliper FN3.
You can also download as an MP3 that you can play on your phone at a later time. These are the main points that I wanted to go over during this tutorial. There's also a help section in case you get stuck and you need a little bit of assistance getting through trying to find how the Chilton Library works. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial for the Chilton Library and that you'll find it useful getting your car prepared for your next journey on the open road. Remember to check out our website for books and materials to help you plan your next road trip. Safe travels, friends.